What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Cadillac SRX remote key fob. This Cadillac SRX key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to change this key fob battery is a small flathead screwdriver. So the first thing we want to do is grab our key fob and remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this release that my thumb's on, and the emergency key will pull out like that. We can just set that to the side. Now if we grab our screwdriver and we hold our key fob with the buttons facing down, and we take a look at the bottom of it, off to the left hand side is that space where the emergency key slid out of. So what I'm going to do is just put the end of my key in there, or my end of my screwdriver rather, and then pry up just a little bit on the case till it starts splitting apart like that. Then I'll take my screwdriver and put it in the crack and just run it along there. And continue on the top, just carefully and slowly running along that crack. And then once it's far enough apart, you can pull it the rest of the way apart with your hands like that. And in the back half of the case, we see our battery right here. And on this battery holder, this plastic, there's a little bit of a space right here. A little notch cut out, and that'll allow you to get a screwdriver or something similar in there and get under the battery. Then I'll grab my new battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing your replacement battery with the plus side down like that. Go ahead and snap that down into its holder, and then we can snap the two halves of the case back together. And what we want to do is line this tab up on the bottom on this side with that notch right here. And also, if this circuit board has slid out, get it slid around it all, get it down in that plastic where it needs to be. And then again, line that tab up on the bottom. And once you have that tab lined up, we can go ahead and snap the case together. Make sure that's all the way snapped back together, and then we can slide our emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.